Don't put your cat in the washing machine to make sure that he's really clean. You don't have to ask mom or ask the vet, 'cause cats don't like to get wet. Don't put your cat in the dryer today. Don't put him in there, no way. I can't say it any more emphatically, 'cause cats don't like to get staticky. Don't brush your cat with the Brillo pad. That would be really, really bad. Even when you're feeling a little rushed, cats don't like to get brushed with a Brillo pad. Your cat gets a bath all by himself. He doesn't need the shampoo from off the shelf, but I'm sure he really does appreciate your help. But your cat gets a bath by himself.